Om. Namaste. Hope all are happy, enjoying our videos, enjoying life, enjoying KKA and KKG all the time. This particular video will form part of this week's Samyama. Every week on Tuesday, we meditate upon Mahavatar Babaji's Siddha Mandala Karya Siddhi Yantra. The procedures have been explained in our previous videos. 2 videos on Samyama. The reference has been given in the last week video titled Uncertainty. Those members who are interested in taking part on every Tuesday at 8:15 p.m. at your location, this type of video will pop up on your phones. The YouTube will be released exactly at 8:15 p.m. on every Tuesday. 3 things are very prominent reference for taking part in Samyama. One is Mahavatar Babaji's Yantra. If you do not have a Yantra, nothing to worry. You can take a photograph of the Yantra. We have given in this video or in some other video. You can just stop the moment and take a screenshot and keep that photo image of Babaji Yantra in front of you, and you can complete the Samyama of the day. Once in a week on every Tuesday, you can participate and enjoy. 3 things as we discussed, 2 videos on Samyama. Third one is the Yantra what we discussed. Keeping all these 3 things in your mind, you can listen to the YouTube video that is being uploaded on every Tuesday at 8:15 p.m. Let us proceed. We have taken the entire universe as a single unit, the Brahmanda, the Andasarasara, trying to understand all those qualifications, all those expertise, all those experiences, all those qualifications, all those degrees, all those certificates, what we possess will not come with us for understanding the universe or understanding the divinity or understanding ourselves. In whichever way we calculate, or in whichever way we think, or in whichever way we conceive, or in whichever way we understand. Keeping this in mind, we will have to go little out of box, out of thinking. To become one with the Lord, we have to unload the stocks of all burden what we are having with us. The more we are lighter, the more we are closer to the divinity. The more we are heavier with unwanted burden, the burden in the sense, the wantings, the appetite, the taste, the greed, the need, the property, the money, the possession, the worries, worrying on children, worrying on parents, worrying on society, worrying on social living, worrying on cash, worrying on reducing bank balance, worrying on property disputes, worrying on low business volumes, worrying on low qualification, worrying on something, worrying on this or worrying on that. All these things add up, add up, add up to become more and more burden on us, so that it gives us sleepless nights. The person who does not have good sleep of at least 8 hours a day is considered to be the sick person. A sick person will become difficult entity for entering into spiritual path or enjoying the taste of spiritual life. Keeping these things in mind, let us unburden ourselves. Let us keep away all the worries, because the person who leaves this body with worrying will come back to this world with a worried person only. As the quality of the rice, the quality of the cooked rice will become. In the same way, happily, if we quit our body, we are certain to come back as a healthy person or become a healthy divinity, part and parcel of the superior soul or superior Brahman or superior divinity itself. We have discussed in the previous weeks about the first star. A particular group of stars put together is named as Ashwini. In the same way, a particular group of stars put together is called Bharani. Bharani is the second star of all the 27 stars in the zodiacal path. In English, they call it as Al-Arist. In Sanskrit and Indian language, it is Bharani or Bharani Nakshatra. The second star of total 27, 13 degree 20 minutes to 26 degree 40 minutes distance is covered by the Bharani Nakshatra. Bharani star is in the sign of Mesha or Aries. The lord of Bharani Nakshatra is Venus or the Sukracharya or Sukra. The characteristics or the denomination of Bharani Nakshatra is like this. Its yoni is male characteristic. It is Manushagana. Sthiti or sustenance in nature. Element or bhuta is earth or Prithvi. The sound wave is Na, or the syllable or the sound wave is Na. It represents sparrow bird. It represents animal as elephant. In trees, it represents Pailanthus or Amla. Goddess Bhadrakali is the deity. Nama Akshara 4 quarters are Li, Lu, Le, Lo. Krura or wicked temperament is of Bharani. Disgustable and down-looking, the Bharani star also has a Gotra, which is Vashishta Gotra. 4 nadis from 24 to 28th nadi in Bharani Nakshatra is considered as very, very inauspicious for performing any auspicious functions. In matching horoscope, the learned astrologers, they always avoid boy or girl of Purvashada, Pushya, Anuradha, Uttarabhadra, Mrigashira, Chitta or Chitra, and Dhanishta. These stars are always avoided as boy or girl of Bharani Nakshatra. Some people do not consider astrology at all. They blindly look at a site and select the girl or boy Later they may enter into problems. It is left to individuals to respect or not to respect. On a broader sense, these are all indicated. But as a spiritually inclined person, before which we are also were in materialistic life, as the day goes, as we progress in spiritual, we understand these things. And when we select a girl or boy for our own children or our own children of our friends or so, we can advise them. If on Sunday Bharani Nakshatra is in operation, then that day is considered very inauspicious. No auspicious functions or no auspicious things are done on these days. It is also followed in astrology. If a girl attains puberty during Bharani Nakshatra, then chances are more that after the marriage, the girl is expected to produce more female than male children. During Dhanurmasa, which is approximately December-January, this nakshatra is considered as Mrityu Nakshatra, that is death inflicting nakshatra. Bharani Nakshatra is also considered as the barren nakshatra, that is the nakshatra which will not produce offsprings, or the chances of producing offspring or having progeny is less chances. Because of this reason, the Bharani Nakshatra operated day is not at all considered as auspicious for any functions, marriage, Upanayana, or naming ceremony, or Graha Pravesham, or any such auspicious things or auspicious functions. But there are certain activities like adventurous, pilgrimage, using weapons, first bath after sickness or after returning from sickness from an hospital, first bath, or any work related to fire can be undertaken on these days. Bharani star falls under Mars house. As a result of this combination of Bharani Nakshatra and Mars planet put together determine the characteristic of person born in Bharani Nakshatra, making him or making her Mars as well as Bharani Nakshatra. The persons born with influence of Bharani Nakshatra and Mars fulfill the task in 100% without leaving anything. All those assignments given to them, they are expected to fulfill 100% without any failure. Not only that one, they will fulfill these tasks with a determination and a responsibility, not allowing to point out any kind of mistakes. They are basically do not like to enjoy the fruit of others. They are self-made and they wish to earn and enjoy their own efforts, their own food earned out of their own efforts. They naturally possess leadership qualities, and this can be distinctly observed when we meet Bharani Nakshatra people. They are innovative as well as intuitive in most of the subjects they like and undertake. Many times you can see new ideas strike in their mind which others cannot even dream of it for a longer time. Such is the quality or alertness or the intuition power of these people. They start many ventures. Unfortunately, they will not complete all the ventures. They may lose interest and quit in the halfway, or when it is almost completed, they will quit and escape from them. Towards the end of completing a task or a project, they get a kind of inertia lose interest and quit the place, and some other people will take the credit for having completed this particular task. Likewise, we can go on adding more and more about Bharani Nakshatra, how it influences in combination with Venus, Bharani Nakshatra, and planet Mars. Today we will understand all these characteristics of the Bharani Nakshatra. Out of 360 degree, we have covered up to 26 degrees and 40 minutes, represented by two initial planets, two initial stars. Let us meditate and perform a samyama on these facts with the aid of Mahavatar Babaji, Siddha Mandala, Karya Siddhi Yantra, those two videos, and today's some knowing about the Bharani Nakshatra being placed in the zodiac from 13 degree 20 minutes to 26 degree 40 minutes, and enjoy our samyama. During the process, you will be guided by the divinity according to your seeking, according to your interest, according to your wish, according to your connectivity with the divinity. Wish every member who participate in today's samyama to get connected to the divinity, understand the nature, understand the zodiac, understand the Brahmanda, understand the Brahman. Close your eyes, continue your samyama without any aid, without any support, without anything in front of you. All those, when you close your eyes, the divinity will throw, from which you will understand many things. Many plans will come in front of you. Many auspicious things will be shown to you. Many experiences can be witnessed by you. Continue and continue to enjoy. All the very best. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha.